Hello everyone, myself Aarti Palvi. I am from Nasik and today I choose the human anatomy and physiology subject for daily task video and the topic is endocrine system. So the first one is what is endocrine system? The the system that makes the hormones directly released into the blood and travels in the tissue and of all organs of the body. Then, endocrine system is a and the ductless gland to the chemical substances and endocrine system and nervous system work together to each other in the brain and complement to each other. But the nervous system and endocrine system are the work at the different speeds. Then, functions of endocrine system is um, breakdown of chemical substances in the metabolism and the production of urine and fluid substances. So, there are 12 parts of endocrine system such as hypothalamus, pituitary gland, pineal gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, thymus gland, adrenal gland, sex gland, pancreas and the gut hormones. So, the hypothalamus. Hypothalamus present in the brain and connect to the nervous system and the endocrine system, and it is uh, hypothalamus is work with the pituitary gland and it commands the pituitary gland when start to when to start work and when to end for making the secretion of hormone. Then pituitary gland it is influential gland for the endocrine system and that contains the two lobes such as anterior lobe, posterior lobe, and the anterior lobe consists of seven hormones such as LH luteinizing hormone, GH growth hormone, FSH follicle stimulating hormone, TSH thyroid stimulating hormone, ACTH adrenocorticotropin hormone, prolactin for the mammary gland, and the melanocyte MSH hormone. And the posterior lobe consists of three hormones such as antidiuretic hormone for excretion of urine, salts, and water or waste material, and the oxytocin produce the mammary gland or uterus. Then next one is oxytocin. Then next one is a thyroid gland. Thyroid gland present in the throat region below the larynx means voice box, and it's served by the large arteries with many branches. And functions of a gland is T3 and T4 for the metabolism and calcitonin for the production of calcium. Also the function of is thyroid gland is synthesis of protein. Then next one is a pineal gland. Pineal gland produce the melatonin hormone and it secreted the maintain the sleep cycle. Then the parathyroid hormone present in the back surface of the body and sit much the smaller and separate glands. It has four glands such as superior, inferior, left and right gland. So the next one is thymus gland. Thymus gland produce the thymosin hormone for the production of T progenitor T cells, precursor T cells, and it is converted into the mature T cells. Then the T cells created by the thymus and also helps to organs of the in the immune system, and the thymus gland destroy the cancerous or immune cells. Next one is the adrenal gland, and these gland are present in the top of each kidney, and there are two structure of adrenal gland such as outer medulla cortex and inner medulla cortex. Adrenal gland produce the three hormones such as cortisol, androgens, androgens, estrogens or aldosterone. And the cortisol, so the cortisol is manage the protein and glucose level. Aldosterone, which maintain the water and salt level. Then androgens and estrogens are secreted by the adrenal cortex in small amounts by both sexes, male and female. So the adrenal medulla produces the epinephrine and norepinephrine. These chemicals are promote the flight and fight mechanism, and it is the adrenal gland is the body initial to respond the stress. Then the sex glands and hormones. So there are two main sex glands such as ovaries in female and testes in male. Ovaries, the hmm, production of eggs in female and production of sperm in male. Then uh, ovaries in female produce the progesterone and estrogens, and the testes in male produce the testosterone. Then it is responsible for the bone health in female, and it has a neurological function such as progesterone. Progesterone is used for the pregnancy, breast, and mood changes. Then the testosterone is used for the production of sperm. Then next one is pancreas. Pancreas is a dual gland of endocrine system and nerve system, and it is present in the digestive system. And the role of pancreas is maintain a glucose level in the blood. When glucose when sugar level in the blood is high, then then alpha cells produce the isolates isolate isolate in the blood glycogen. And when blood level is high when the blood sugar level is high, then beta cell produce the isolates in the insulin for the maintain the glucose level. Then gut hormone is extensive for the endocrine system, and it produce the role of gut hormones is control of appetite, digestion of foods, energy level, and maintenance of the glucose level. Then uh, kidney consists of the two hormones such as vitamin D and erythropoietin. Vitamin D for the calcium absorption, and vitamin D is inactive in blood and also in the kidney and tissue. Stimulates the uptake vitamin D, it stimulates the uptake of calcium in the blood, and it the maintenance of the healthy bones, regulate response of immune system. Then erythropoietin produce the oxygen level is low in the blood, and acts on the bone marrow. It stimulates the production of the RBCs and maintain healthy oxygen level in the tissue. So there are the disorder of endocrine system is hypersecretion, hyposecretion, and hypersecretion, hyposecretion. So then the endocrine system works the when to start, when to end work with uh, for the all body parts in the system, with the system and the nervous system. nerve Nerve system also helps in the endocrine system for the work of the body glands. Then there iodine is a element that require the adrenal gland and to produce the thyroid hormone. Endocrine system is chemical substances to produce the hormone for the of all the body organs. So thank you.